How to delete YouTube channel permanently. Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I am showing that how to delete YouTube channel. First of all, open the Chrome app. In the Chrome, open the YouTube desktop version and now click on the three lines and go to the settings in the last. In the settings, you can see the last option, advanced settings. Click on it. In the advanced settings, you can see delete account option. Click on delete channel. Now click on continue. Choose these three option and hide my channel. And you want to delete, then click on delete my account and enter your Gmail address and click on delete my account, and that's it. Your account will be deleted permanently. Thanks for watching. Follow for more such helpful videos.